Stop talking like that.
Well, the backwards attack can't even pull 100 players.
That's a good question.
I agree with that move.
Actually, I have an idea of what, because I remember, like, since the people were, like, telling him there's no use for shows, the Wonder Show is, like, reaffirming that idea.
Oh.
For some reason.
They're reaffirming the idea that there's no use for shows.
Yeah, because, well, no one
Why did I
has the
add the
time
ding
for it.
sound effect then?
That's a good question. Side, I don't like that. I'm going to execute you.
Rest in peace, my granny, as in Wonderland 6 Showtime.
Okay, bro. I'm going to execute you.
In a suspense way, you know?
Okay.
How was the tackle for the Taco Bell bombs successful?
Yeah, that's a good question. Oh. I'm going to execute you!
Why does he sound like that? Why does he sound like a mafia boss?
I can't take it seriously because he looks like Mickey Mouse.
Exactly.